Hey, what's up, YouTube? You know, it's your boy JB. You rocking with me and I'm rocking with you, and I want to welcome you guys back to the channel, Stocks on the Go. If you guys are new to the channel, please go ahead, hit the subscription button, tap on the notification bell, and pound on the like button, guys. It really does help with the algorithm of this video. So today I just wanted to bring a little bit of info about Matterport. As you guys know, I really love this company and I've been following closely since I did my last research on the company. I really see a lot of potential for this company also. As you guys know, they recently had their Q4 earnings, which they just blew through the door, or through the roof, I should say. But as you guys know, the market volatility, it caused the stock to plunge over 19%, which I just see is ridiculous. And I completely think that the stock was oversold, seeing the whole outlook for the company too. So with that being said, guys, 2 days after that, the CEO came out and he just gave us a little more highlight on the company's outlook. And he touched on something very special that I'm so excited about, which is the metaverse, which I've been saying this, guys. If you guys watch the other videos that I did on Matterport, I really see a big metaverse potential for this company. And that's exactly what the CEO highlighted yesterday. So guys, without keeping you guys waiting any longer, go ahead, smash that like button, and let's jump into the video. Let's go, guys.
Thanks, Brad. As we continue to track moves into the metaverse, Matterport, the company that makes digital twins of properties from homes to stores and other businesses, reported fourth quarter and full year results yesterday. Total subscribers crossed the 500,000 mark at the end of last year, and annualized recurring revenue grew to $66 million. For more on these results and the business outlook, we have Matterport CEO RJ Pittman here with us now. RJ, thanks for joining us again this afternoon. Given the stock move that we're seeing this afternoon for Matterport, what do you think investors are reacting to from these results?
Well, first of all, I think we've entered 2022 with a very turbulent stock market that all companies are enduring, as you guys were just discussing earlier. For Matterport, this was a record year for Matterport, record year for the company on revenue, subscribers, and some. And Q4 was very strong. And as you can see, we beat consensus on the top line. We met consensus on EPS. So we feel really great about the quarter, but I can't help but ignore some of these macro effects that are weighing down the entire tech sector. And I think we all want to see more growth out of growth tech stocks like Matterport, and it's definitely coming for us in 22. We're very early into the quarter here and into the start of the year, but we're feeling great about it.
And where are you between your
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? There's a little bit of breakup on the communication.
Hi, Adrian.
Sure, absolutely.
This is Rochelle. I'm going to hop in here. I just wanted to sort of take a look at your venture into the metaverse. Where do you see your company positioning itself as you see an increasing number of companies also coming into this space, but a lot of people still wondering how much potential it actually holds?
Right. The way that we think about the digital universe is the same way we thought about it 10 years ago when Matterport was started. We turn physical spaces, buildings, cruise ships, commercial airlines, you name it. If it is a physical space or vessel, we have likely digitized it and created a dimensionally accurate digital twin, which has proven over the years to have durable commercial value for our customers now in 177 countries, right? And as the world starts to shift and as technology platform companies move towards a digital first world, whether that's for meetings or entertainment, productivity, even maybe manufacturing and manufacturing simulations in a digital 3D simulated environment, we might call it the metaverse. Matterport is in fantastic position because this is the business we've been about since the very beginning. And what it's perhaps doing is helping broader industries think about how to embrace the digital realm as a way to run their organizations and certainly run their facilities more efficiently. And we think, with that, we've got great examples. Amazon has come into the space and introduced a service in partnership with Matterport called their IoT Twin Maker. And it is Matterport's digital twins that are really unlocking the potential of AWS customers who are managing facilities at scale, do it in a 3D environment. Same thing with our partnership with Mttr, where here we're trying to basically connect the dots and tap into our spatial data library. It's the largest library of buildings and spaces that is a dimensionally accurate digital twin in the world. And these have great implications for any of these new environments. Our engine and our pipeline for creating spatial data fits in perfectly.
And as you mentioned, your collaboration with Mttr, their AI research last year to help train AI models, what is the monetization opportunity there?
I look at it this way, to build the next big platform and technology, which is certainly what Matterport is off and running to do, we have to look a little bit further into the future, right? And this collection of researchers and academics from literally the top universities in the world have taken hold of Matterport's unique 3D spatial data. We have over 450 applications to get access to our 1,000 buildings and spaces that we have opened up to this community. And there are already hundreds of universities at work. And what are they doing? They're building intelligent systems that can function. So think of robots and even personal digital assistants that can operate autonomously inside any kind of space, a building, a hotel, a home, a restaurant, leading to the future of technology and leading to the big changes in the way that we interact with the physical world and how we might even be using, robots and intelligent agents to help us along the way. And those research outputs will turn into applications that we can easily make available in the Matterport marketplace, which is our commercial ecosystem where you can customize your digital twin, your virtual tour, whatever your property might be, using some of the most advanced technology that's going to be coming out of this research effort in partnership with Mttr and all of these universities around the world. It's really quite exciting.
Now, obviously, you have the collaborative aspect, but then you also have perhaps the potential for mergers and acquisitions. In terms of that strategy, then, Matterport closed its deal to acquire OnView in January. How do you see that progressing, and are there any other sort of M&A opportunities that you see out there?
Yes, OnView is a very strategic addition to Matterport's strategy, and this is what we call datafication. And that is, what do you do with all of this spatial data once you have it? Our customers, whether it is a large global retailer with thousands of locations, or it happens to be a commercial real estate customer that has thousands of office buildings, they want to understand what's going on inside those spaces, and they want to do it at scale, right? And so think of OnView's technology is able to go in and analyze 100, 1,000, even 1,000,000 buildings in a matter of minutes, and basically do an automated AI-powered building inspection. And you can program it to look for very specific things, right down to determining if a sprinkler head in a construction project is out of place, and if it's out of place even by a few centimeters, right? And to be able to do that, in software is extraordinary. And to think about the job that you would have to do across, let's say, 1,000 locations for a large retailer, that's like finding a needle in a haystack. But with OnView and Matterport and what we call datafication, that becomes easy like a Google search. And this is really important to the future of how we manage our buildings and think about facilities in the next decade ahead. But it's also something that can unlock really creative ideas right in your own living room, like unlocking the ability to virtually redesign your living room, lay out new furniture, even change the color of the paint on the walls in a point-and-click fashion. And this is where we're going to extend the value proposition of Matterport once you capture that digital twin.
I mean, certainly endless possibilities there. Thank you for sharing your insights. RJ Pittman there, Matterport's CEO. Thank you for your time.
All right, guys, and we are back. And there you have it. That was RJ Pittman, the CEO of Matterport, basically giving us his outlook for the company. future plans and them stepping foot into the metaverse also, guys. I know a lot of my family members on the Stocks on the Go channel, they've been asking me, JB, do you think that Matterport is a good buy at this point? Do you see it going any lower? Guys, we are in a correction, or you can say a bear market. Guys, at this point, a lot of great stocks are going to be beat down. And growth companies that have amazing potential are going to be beat down, guys. And nobody can tell you that they know where is the bottom of this whole correction or this whole down period in the market. But what I can tell you guys is that we have to practice dollar cost averaging into these plays. And with that being done, guys, we can securely say that we have caught this stock at a lower price. We can never say when is the bottom or when we actually bought at the lowest that the stock will be. Someone asked me, would I have bought it last week at $7? Yes, I would. And would I bought it after the earnings call at $6? Yes, I would. And that's how dollar cost averaging works, guys. We continuously buy through this down period. Because once it's liftoff time, guys, I guarantee you we'll all be wishing that we had bought at $7, $6, $5, even $8. All right, guys. So you know it's your boy JB. Check out the links in the description for some ways to make some quick cash. It really does help out with the channel also. And as I said, guys, keep building out that generational wealth. Keep investing. It's your boy JB. You rocking with me and I'm rocking with you. Don't forget to pound on that like button. I'm out, guys.